Before smartphones checked the time for us. Before notifications followed us everywhere. Before wearable computers wrapped around our wrists. There was a small electronic revolution. A revolution measured not in years, not in decades, but in seconds. For thousands of years, humanity searched for better ways to understand time. Sundials tracked shadows. Water clocks measured flow. Mechanical clocks counted movement through gears and springs. Each innovation brought greater precision, greater reliability, greater control. Yet during the 20th century, something extraordinary happened. Timekeeping stopped being mechanical and became electronic. The result was one of the most influential devices ever worn by ordinary people. The digital watch. Today, digital displays seem ordinary. Numbers appear instantly on countless screens. Phones, computers, cars, appliances. The technology feels almost invisible. Yet there was a time when seeing glowing digits on a wrist felt like science fiction. The digital watch represented the future. A future people could wear. At first glance, a digital watch appears simple. A display, buttons, a battery, a case, nothing dramatic, nothing mysterious. Yet behind that appearance lies one of the most important technological transitions in modern history. The shift from mechanical systems to electronic systems. The origins of this transformation begin with a problem. Mechanical watches were impressive achievements. Tiny machines capable of measuring time through carefully controlled movement. Yet they possessed limitations. Moving parts wear down, accuracy varies, maintenance becomes necessary. Engineers wondered whether a different approach was possible. Could time be measured electronically? The answer eventually became yes. The development of quartz technology changed everything. Quartz possesses a remarkable property. When subjected to electrical energy, it vibrates at a highly consistent frequency. This frequency can be used as a reference. A stable rhythm, an electronic heartbeat. Engineers discovered that quartz offered extraordinary accuracy, far beyond many traditional mechanical systems. The implications were enormous. The engineering behind digital watches remains fascinating. A quartz crystal generates a predictable signal. Electronic circuits count those vibrations. The count becomes seconds, minutes, hours. The display converts invisible calculations into visible information. The process feels effortless, yet it represents remarkable precision. Millions of microscopic events occur before a single second appears on the screen. The display itself became revolutionary. For centuries, watches relied on hands. Hour hands, minute hands, second hands. The digital watch eliminated them. Time appeared directly as numbers. Instantly, unambiguously. The user no longer interpreted a position. The user read information. This change seemed small. It fundamentally altered the experience of timekeeping. The relationship between humans and information became more direct. Psychology helps explain why digital watches became so influential. Humans appreciate clarity. The brain processes numerical information efficiently. A digital display removes interpretation. The answer is immediate. The time appears exactly as it is. This precision created a sense of control, a sense of certainty. People often associate technology with reliability. The digital watch strengthened that perception. It looked scientific, accurate, modern. The visual design reinforced these impressions. Early digital watches appeared unlike traditional timepieces. Sharp lines, electronic displays, metallic surfaces, futuristic aesthetics. The devices looked as though they had arrived from tomorrow. Consumers responded enthusiastically. Technology often succeeds not only because it works, but because it symbolizes possibility. The digital watch symbolized progress. The rise of consumer electronics accelerated adoption dramatically. During the late 20th century, households increasingly filled with electronic devices. Calculators, video game systems, personal computers, digital watches joined this expanding ecosystem. For many people, a digital watch became their first personal electronic device. Small enough to wear, advanced enough to impress, accessible enough to become widespread. The cultural impact proved enormous. The digital watch changed expectations. Consumers began expecting more from products. More functionality, more precision, more information. Manufacturers responded. Alarms appeared, stopwatches appeared, calendars appeared, backlights appeared, multiple time zones appeared. The watch evolved beyond timekeeping. It became a multi-function tool. This transformation revealed an important principle. Technology rarely remains limited to its original purpose. Capabilities expand, functions multiply. The digital watch followed this path repeatedly. The relationship between digital watches and identity became particularly interesting. Earlier generations often viewed watches primarily as necessities. Digital watches introduced a technological dimension. Wearing one communicated something: interest in innovation, interest in the future, interest in electronics. The watch became a symbol of modernity. Different models represented different lifestyles. Athletes favored rugged designs. Professionals favored sleek designs. Students favored feature-rich designs. The category diversified rapidly. The visual language of digital watches became iconic. Segmented numerical displays, illuminated screens, function buttons, electronic sounds. These elements entered popular culture. Films featured them, television featured them, advertisements celebrated them. The digital watch became one of the defining technological symbols of its era. Globalization expanded its influence further. Manufacturing efficiencies reduced costs. Accessibility increased. Millions of people gained access to precise electronic timekeeping. The digital watch became truly global. Few technological products achieved such widespread adoption. Its influence crossed cultures, languages, and economic boundaries. Technology continued evolving. Displays improved. Power consumption decreased. Durability increased. New materials emerged. The digital watch adapted continuously. Yet new challenges appeared as well. Mobile phones began displaying time. Portable electronics became ubiquitous. Many predicted the decline of wristwatches entirely. Yet digital watches survived. This survival reveals something important. The best products often satisfy needs beyond the primary function. A watch is not merely a timekeeping device. It is convenience, identity, habit, accessibility. The digital watch continued offering these advantages. Modern smartwatches represent the latest chapter in this story. Notifications, health monitoring, communication, navigation. The wrist has become valuable technological territory. Yet beneath these advanced capabilities remains a familiar foundation. The digital display, the electronic measurement of time. The legacy of the digital watch continues. The device also teaches a broader lesson about innovation. Major technological shifts often appear obvious in hindsight. They rarely feel obvious in the moment. Replacing gears with circuits, replacing hands with numbers, replacing mechanics with electronics. These changes transformed an entire industry. The digital watch helped normalize the digital world long before most people realized one was coming. Perhaps that is why it remains culturally significant. Not merely because it told time. Many devices do that. Not merely because it used electronics. Many products do that. But because it introduced millions of people to a new way of thinking. A digital way of thinking. One based on information, precision, and instant access. And beneath the display, beneath the circuits, beneath the laboratories, the electronics factories, and decades of technological evolution. The digital watch tells a larger story. A story about transition, about humanity's movement from mechanical systems into the digital age. Because sometimes the future arrives quietly, not as a giant machine, not as a dramatic invention, but as a small screen on a wrist. The digital watch became exactly that. A tool of precision, a symbol of innovation, and one of the most important consumer technologies ever created.